Can you give Uwe some information about how he can report his data for auditors and internal auditors and other stuff?
Yes, we created a product with which you are able to generate reports and audits directly on the IDM system without the need for, as you already said, for transferring the data to a BW or other analytic tools. The reports are directly based on the live data of identity management, and either internal auditors or external auditors are able to use this product with a nice Fiori UI, so they are able to generate these reports by themselves. That's very important for time aspects. In addition to that, you are able to export all these reports directly to Excel, either for forwarding or for then leveraging the Excel tools for displaying the data and for offline storage, for example. And now I will show you then how we implemented this.
Thanks, that's wonderful.
Yes, here we see our product SECMENDO.report, also with Fiori 3 design theming. We have here on the upper part our standard reports which we are delivering, and we also of course created some custom reports. When we have a lot of reports on this dashboard, we are able to filter them by a nice search or filter bar. Let's go into the first new feature we have here. This is a user details report. For example, be able to be executed by an external auditor directly on the system. And there we implemented a multi-object or multi-person, multi-identity search functionality. So we're able to search our identities where we want to execute this report on. And when we, for example, have here five persons, we are able to execute this report directly on these 5 objects. And with this, we are able to find different stations between these persons, or regularities. We're also able to, in the attributes, we're able to see all of these persons, the assignments, roles, and privileges. And we are of course also able to export this data into Excel. And from there on, we're able to use Excel as a tool of our choice for maintaining the data or for filtering. Yes, that's for the multi-user selection. We also have created some custom reports for example, for internal auditors to have a look which user accounts are not used currently. So, for example, users which are not logged in yet in our systems. Or we have also the possibility to see which users did not change their initial password. That's very good to see how the users are using their systems, or for user licensing perspectives. Okay, now the biggest new feature for our SECMENDO.report release, we are able now to create reports without the knowledge of SQL. So we are able to build our queries with a nice new builder. I'm entering here some basic data I need for each report, and then I'm able to select the entry type this report should be executed on. So first I say, okay, I want here now a new details report for identities, for persons. And when selecting the person entry type, I automatically see which attributes are available for this entry type. So I'm selecting now a certain kind of person attributes and add them to my report, like standard master data, first name, last name, account attributes like login IDs, organizational attributes like business area company code, and I'm also directly able to I'm able to then change the appearance or change the layout of the table. So I'm able to move certain kind of attributes up, down, or left, right at the end on the table, and then perform a test execution of this new report. So I'm directly able to see in our admin console how this table of data will look like. We can see this here, yeah. And then from there on, if I say, well, that's fine, I'm able to create the report, which is then directly available on the fly in my dashboard. And when now executing this new custom report based on our new query builder, I'm again able to add persons to my report or to my selection, and then execute this new report on all of these, and then have here a nice flat list of the data. Yes, that's the new features for our SECMENDO.report product. Thank you.